Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about basic conversation with action verbs. So let's get started.
Yimo zoon cricket match. Yimo zoon cricket match. They have won the cricket match. Ase pazi suli shongun. Ase pazi suli shongun. We should sleep early. Heran khas var var. Heran khas var var. Climb the stairs slowly. Yem dyut me dak. Yem dyut me dak. He pushed me. Yuchu dohoi shamas doran. Yuchu dohoi shamas doran. He is running in the evening every day. Valyav gindav. Valyav gindav. Come, let's play. Talsa darvaz khol. Talsa darvaz khol. Please open the door. Yuchu vizi vizi thod gathan vathit. Yuchu vizi vizi thod gathan vathit. He gets up time and again. Cow chubudan. Cow chubudan. Crow is flying. Raj Begum is bad jaan gyavan. Raj Begum is bad jaan gyavan. Raj Begum sang exceptionally. Tse süüt kath baat karnas aav maz. Tse süüt kath baat karnas aav maz. It was nice talking to you. Ase peyi ye trövit țunun. Ase peyi ye trövit țunun. We will have to throw it away. Pakun chu sehtas khatra setha jaan. Pakun chu sehtas khatra setha jaan. Walking is good for health. Ye kyazi chu vadan? Ye kyazi chu vadan? Why is he crying? Vala saklas karav savar. Vala saklas karav savar. Let's ride on bike. Ye gav laman laman pass. Ye gav laman laman pass. He passed barely.
That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.